Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Oh, it's been like 2 weeks since I posted and work got in the way, life got in the way, everything gets in the way of everything. So I'm back. I just started my 2-week vacation from work, so I have plenty of time to film and do looks and plan a bunch of stuff and get stuff done. Since the last video was on my birthday, I want to apologize for not having a video out in between the giveaway and now. It is what it is at this point. I first want to say that the winner will be picked within the next couple days. I was just having so much trouble with my last video, and it might have been because I asked people to leave their Instagrams in the comments, but I had to scrub through my email to find the comments because not all the comments posted on my video. So I'm in the process of doing that and gonna figure out how to randomly pick somebody. I might throw all the names on a piece of paper and have my husband draw out of a jar, so hopefully I can get that out into the mail by the end of the week. It was supposed to be today, which I'm filming this on the 20th. This is Tuesday, but I'm Monday. Wow. Tuesday when this video goes up. But yeah, I think that's about it. Today's video is just an eye look using the Blend Bunny Blends palette. I kept screwing that up, but I wanted to showcase this at least once this month because they have their new palette coming out, or it came out. It's called Surge. I bought it. I'm waiting for that to come in, and I will definitely do videos on that. But this is a lovely palette. It's all matte. It's beautiful. I really dig it. So it's just eyes in this video, but all my makeup details will be listed down below. So yeah, I guess if you're interested in this video and how I got this, which honestly I'm pretty happy with it. My lashes could be on better, but I'm pretty happy with it. But yeah, if you're interested in how this all came together, just keep on watching. Alright, so this is my cat Pumpkin. She is being a little menace as I'm filming, but I'm ready to do my eyeshadow. I have my base all done, and hopefully she chills out. For today, I am going to be using the Blends palette from Blend Bunny Cosmetics. Looks like this. It was like all over Twitter, still is all over Twitter. They have a new palette coming out, which I bought when it launched the other day, and it's called a Surge palette, and it's like grungy. This is more colorful, but it's all matte, so I'm going to delve into that. And I think I'm going to be using one of these bases from Beauty Creations. I bought them a couple months ago, used them a couple of times, haven't used them since. And I think I want to play with the pinks because I went pretty heavy with the pink, so maybe the pinks and the purples. But I've used this palette a few times already since I've gotten it, and it is really nice. I highly recommend trying it out. Indie brands are like what I'm trying to buy more of, and I gotta say, really loving what I've tried so far. Like I said, my cat is being super annoying. I have all my eye bases here. Like, I did a blue look and I put the blue over it, but I think I want to do pink, but pink's gonna stain my lids, and I don't know if I want to deal with stained lids, but I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do blue then pink. I think I'm going to start with the blue pigment, and I'm going to use one of these Morphe flat but fluffy brushes. What I found with these Beauty Creations pigment, whatever you want to call them, they're color-based primers. What I've discovered with them, some are more runny, some are more thick. A little bit inconsistent, but it is what it is. And oh my god, I need a mirror. Alright, so I have the blue, and I'm going to start stamping this on just the lid. Probably should zoom you back in a little bit, huh? I'm trying to keep a pretty clean line, even though I will blend out the blue. But I want like a faux cut greasy kind of look. While that is still kind of wet, I'm gonna dip into the shade here, Bubble Bath. And I might mix a little bit, just below it, a little bit of Dream. Yeah, I'm gonna mix those two. Since I already have my base done, I kicked off the excess. And or just set it on top. Since these shades are a little bit lighter, it makes it a little bit more pastel. I'm going in with just Bubble Bath, and I'm going to start blending this out just a tad bit. Going back in with Dream also. So I'm stamping and then sweeping back and forth. And this is a, I just run the Grinch collection with Pure Cosmetics. And so far, I like how that looks. I know it's not like a full effect of what this is since I'm putting it over a colored base, but the shadows do perform very well. They blend out very well, and I'm really excited for the new palette that's coming out. So, I don't know if I said, the blue primer was Blew My Mind, and the pink one is Barbie Pink. I have a little bit of a bigger brush since I'm doing the outer side, cat hair in that, and I'm going to put majority of it down, and then I'm going to start winging it out a little bit. The shadows are going to blend it out a little bit better. And just fading in between the pink and the blue are going to make a little bit of a purple. Now for the pink, I'm going to go in with the shade Chase, and then I'm going to deepen it up with this shade called Vamp. And this is a Milani, like, what does it say, all over shadow. I really like this type of brush for the lower lash line, but I will pack it on for the pink. So I am, of course, just setting that primer before starting to blend a little bit. I'm going to blend out this pink pretty far. I feel like being a little bit dramatic. As you can see, I'm not on the primer anymore, and it's blending out so beautifully on just my face makeup. Now I'm going to take a Lunar Beauty LVE3 brush, and I'm going to take the shade Vamp, which is a little bit more purpley, and I'm going to try to deepen up the outer corner here just a little bit. I will be doing liner and all that jazz. Before I go any further, I'm going to take the white shade in here called Cream and Sugar, and I'm going to pop that on my brow bone just to clean it up just a tad bit and to add a little bit more, what you call it, definition, whatever. May need to clean it up and blend it out a little bit more. I'm going to move on to the lower lash line. I'm going to take the same Chase color. I'm going to just blend this out and connect it with the top. I will fix up, because you can see where it got darker with the purple. I will fix that up with some possible glitter. Haven't decided yet. So far so good. I'm going to go back in with the shade Vamp right at the lash line. And for this lower portion, I'm going to go in, I'm going to start with this blue called Chance, and then I'm going to mix the original two that I used with maybe a dash of 32 here. Just below this. This is a double-ended brush from one of the Urban Decay palettes, and I'm going to just start that and have it blended a little bit into the pink. And then with the same brush, I'm dipping into Dream and Bubble Bath. just to lightly blend underneath. I'm actually gonna flip over to the other side with those shades. And I am gonna dip into the shade 32. So this is kind of what I have going on. I can see a little bit where it needs to blend a little bit better right there. So I'm going to go in. This is a Dominique Cosmetics brush. I'm going to dip into just a little bit of Chase, just very, very light amount of that, and just start buffing this. Because one of the things with the pigment, sometimes you can see the demarcation where it stops. So you just need to spend a little extra time blending that. But these shades blend so well, it's not too big of a deal. I'm going to go back down here. But as you can see, it's pulled out pretty far. I'm just blending a little bit down. So it goes up and it goes down, almost like a butterfly, but not really. For that center portion where it's a little bit darker, I'm going to take the NYX Glitter Glue, just a little dollop of it, and I'm going to put, I think I'm going to put the highlighter that I used on my face, which was the Jaclyn Cosmetics Hypnotic loose highlighter. I'm going to put that in the center and probably the inner corner because it's a little bit purpley. So same brush that has the glitter glue, I'm going to just pat that on. So far, I like how this is looking. I'm going to pop this on my inner corner also. Might have to touch it up, I'll put a little white down and then this on top. But I am going to go ahead and finish the other eye off camera. I'm going to pop on liner and lashes, and I will, if I do anything extra, I will add that on. Hopefully I can recreate this on this other eye. And I'll be back to finish up the video. Alright, so this is the finished eye. I love how it came out. Like, I didn't know where I was going with it, but it turned out pretty good. So for lashes, I am using the Style Blissful Baby from Likely Makeup. For the waterline and tightline, I am using the Makeup Geek black eye pencil. For the actual liner, I am using mainly the Anastasia liquid liner, but I'm also using the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liner. I use that for the little fake lashes on the bottom, and I use it to touch up the wing liner. That's my makeup. I quite like it. It's very colorful, giving me bisexual vibes, which I never made a video about it, but like 3 years ago I finally came out as bisexual, so there's that. This is my eye look with the blend palette from Blend Bunny Cosmetics. That's a mouthful. I will be doing a video when the Surge palette comes in. Hopefully that arrives soon. I got the shipping notification the same day that I ordered it, so that's promising. Super excited about this brand. But yeah, that's the eye look. If you guys want to see more looks with this palette, just let me know down below, or I can do them over on Instagram or TikTok, wherever. I think that's about it. I have another video coming up, which will be a foundation review over the, not so much review, first impression of the Good Apple foundation from KVDBeauty. That's its own thing. I think that about wraps it up. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So I do want to start a better community with you guys, so I'm gonna, at the end of my videos, ask a question and we can chat in the comments down below. So today's question will be, I'm sorry if you're not a fan of Pokemon, but I am currently watching all the Pokemon episodes I can find. Who's your favorite Pokemon? If you don't have a favorite singular Pokemon, you can tell me what's your favorite type of Pokemon. I am partial to fire Pokemon. I love Charmander, I love Cyndaquil, I love Charizard, I love Vulpix and Ninetales. I love many of the original 150 because that's what I grew up on. But yeah, and if you haven't seen on like Instagram or whatever, I have Pokemon on my leg now, so yeah. But yeah, I think that wraps it up. Thank you guys again for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you watch this, and I will catch you guys all in my new video. Bye!